Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, and I do a boring finance job.
And that makes you perfect for this video.
Which does make it, coincidentally, just fate that I'm here for this video, although I'm in most of them, so.
But this is pretty perfect. So, I asked you guys on Instagram what type of videos you guys really wanted to see, and the most popular answer that I received was what sold videos. So I've told you guys before that I'm a little bit not a huge fan of what sold videos just because I don't think we're all looking for the same things, and I'm not always a super fan of finding out about brands that are selling for less than $20. But since you guys asked for it, I feel like why not show you guys a typical week in my reselling career. This is a pretty average week. It's not a great week. It's not a horrible week. It's just pretty average.
It's run-of-the-mill, average, just an ordinary week.
Yeah.
For the most part.
So I think it's a good way to show what I typically sell. So, that being said, if you enjoy reseller content and you like to see what sold videos, you like to see hauls and everything else reseller related, make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a huge thumbs up so I know that you want to see more of these type of videos. Click the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. I post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. And comment down below what your typical sales week looks like. Are you selling a lot of mall-type brands? Are you selling a lot of, mid-range, Madewell, that kind of stuff? Or are you selling, like, really crazy designer brands? Because I'm jealous of you. But let me know. I'd love to hear, and I'd love to hear the different experiences that everybody has out there.
Yeah.
All right, so he's going to be doing a lot of the numbers because he's my numbers guy.
Yeah.
But we will go through this by platform. I do sell on 3 different platforms. Poshmark is and will always probably be my largest selling platform, and this week is no different. But we will start with the smaller ones so that we can get those kind of out of the way.
Yeah. All right, so eBay first, I guess.
Yeah, let's start there.
So left of center, 15 plus $4.75 shipping.
Yeah, an anthro top, kind of a ruffly top. Got this on online sourcing.
Yeah. CGA by Cookie, 22 plus $13.65.
Yep, $13.65 shipping. So this was a brand that you guys actually let me know about. I received it in, I think it was my Jomar Knew It tags box.
Probably that or the denim box, one of the two.
Yeah, something like that. And you guys let me know that this was actually Magic Johnson's wife's brand. So I had no idea, and apparently it retails for a lot of money. But I figured it was a good flip anyway, just based on what I got it for, and I'm happy someone is going to enjoy it.
Sundance, 22 plus $5 shipping.
Yes, very beautiful. I love this top.
And then Faithful the brand, 60 plus $7 shipping.
Yes, so hopefully you guys are seeing on the screen all of these sales. You can kind of see little pictures of these items, but this Faithful the brand dress I actually sourced on ThredUp. I paid far too much money for it, and I received probably like 10 to 15 offers that just couldn't take. And finally this offer came in, and lower than I really wanted, but it was the first reasonable offer that came in my way. So
well, it was eBay, and they only take 10%, so you were more able to take 60 than if it was Poshmark with 20%.
Yes.
So.
But it was my first experience with this brand, and I now know that what I spent was too high. So I will learn.
I mean, you always want to keep your costs down as much as you can. Next is Mercari.
Oh, well, wait. So for eBay, our gross sales for the week was $119, and after fees, that came out to $107.10.
Yes, $107.10 net. That's not counting cost of goods.
Right, not counting cost of goods. We were going to do all of that, but that is a little bit more time consuming, so I figure we will just let you know the amount that we received after the fees.
All right, so next is Mercari.
Yes.
So you had a Zara top for 15.
Yes, faux leather top. It's actually been sitting for quite a while, and it was cross-listed onto Mercari this past week, and it sold for $15 with $5 shipping.
Yep. Hudson jeans. Those are from the denim box, I believe.
Yes, from the most recent denim box, and this actually sold within 5 minutes of listing.
$32 and $11 shipping.
Yep.
Band of Gypsies, $12 plus $4.60.
Yeah, and this was from my personal closet.
This is actually from your closet.
We don't actually know where I got this from because it did have one of those tags that would insinuate it was from a thrift store or the bins, but it was in my drawer when we were cleaning, so I don't know. A mystery. So that's a pure profit.
You found some mid to high-end brands or mid-tier brands just out of your closet. You found Free People, Madewell.
Yes, I have been a thrifter my whole life, just never knew about brands, and apparently I stumbled upon some brands. Who knew?
Next was the vintage hot rod T-shirt. It was actually signed as well.
We don't know by who though.
Yeah.
So.
That was $28 plus free shipping.
Yep.
Bud Light bowling T-shirt.
Also vintage.
Also vintage, $23 free shipping.
Yeah, and both of those actually had been listed on Mercari for quite a while, but I relisted them, and within the 24 hours of the relist, they sold. So.
And I mean, those were kind of new to us because we don't really specialize in vintage T-shirts. So those were kind of the testing the waters, and they took a little bit of time to sell. But I mean, given what we paid originally, not a bad turn.
Yeah, we don't sell a lot of men's clothing, and we do sell vintage. But we don't sell a lot of graphic tees. I would love to. I just don't understand them. So if there's any vintage tee experts out here that can help me out, please let me know because I need to hit you up because I want to learn.
Yeah. So for Mercari, it was $99, just shy of $100, of course. Net after the fees is $89.10.
Yeah. So.
Next is Poshmark. So this is where we do our best, or she does her best.
You're part of it. It's a team.
It is. I do all of the packing.
Oh, yes.
So, J. Crew blue embroidered shirt, $15.
Eyelet top, not necessarily embroidered, but it very pretty, $15. Yep.
Bundle to a YouTube viewer.
Friend. Yeah. So one of you guys shops with us quite a bit, and this was a bundle that was made. There was 4 items in it. It was Under Armour, a Rock and Republic top, a Rag and Bone pair of shorts, and 7 for All Mankind corduroys. Altogether, that bundle came out to $80.
And she's literally our favorite person.
Yeah, our favorite person,
Yeah.
our favorite customer, our favorite everything.
Yeah.
So, yes.
Trina Turk dress, $30.
Yeah, that one was a bit of a disappointment on my end. I had it in my mind that Trina Turk resold for a bit more money. So it's been sitting for quite a while, but you know, if you can make a profit and it's been sitting, let it go. Let it go.
I mean, there's the age-old, you never go broke making a profit, so.
Exactly. So that one is on to a new home.
MM LaFleur, $50.
Yes, blue Kiko ruched dress. Very pretty. I actually adore this dress and it felt beautiful.
They're so soft.
Yeah.
Kate Spade shoes.
Yep, they were gold flats with little bows on them.
Yep, $30.
Yeah,
I mean, they were cute and in really good shape too.
Yeah.
I mean, basically no. Next is my favorite, Brahmin handbag, $80.
I don't think we've done a what sold video. So we've done another what sold video, and this would be our second or maybe third. I don't even know. But they all have Brahmins in it. We have a problem. We might be addicted.
That's not a problem when they sell for $80.
It was beautiful. You guys saw it in one of our haul videos. We showed it up close. It was blue and it had like the iridescent look.
It's got the dappling of the brown of the leather coming through the blue, and it was very, very pretty.
Beautiful.
Next was Spanx from one of the denim boxes, the newest one, I think.
Yep, the one that had all of the Spanx logoing in the back worn off. So that is why the price is only $20.
Yep.
But still, they were in fine shape. They just had been worn.
Lafayette 148 blazer, $40.
Linen. And it was a cute blazer, but it had been sitting.
Yeah.
So $40 I will take.
Then vintage orange sweater, $25.
Yep. That is perfect for Halloween, guys.
Was,
I loved that sweater.
It was
I think it might have had Rami.
Probably. It also would have fit me. It's an oversized sweater. It's a big sweater.
Yeah, it was great. I loved it.
Madewell sweater, $25.
Yeah, elbow patches.
Yep. Dior bathrobe. So that actually would have fit me. It's a men's bathrobe.
And that's actually why we bought it. So this Dior bathrobe didn't have its tie, which was kind of sad. It had a little bit of bleach stains on it. But we had decided that if it didn't sell at all, he would keep it because it was comfortable and it's Dior. So
well, it was the dark teal color with like the satin accents on the hem.
yes.
So
this is actually our second Dior bathrobe men's that we sold.
Yeah. Bowden flats. I think they're
Orange.
singlebacks or
Singlebacks.
Yep.
Yeah. Look at you go.
So $18.
Yes.
And then lastly was a pair of Chanel sunglasses, which we got from the designer box. $100.
Yeah. So altogether on Poshmark, we grossed $543 gross, and after fees, it came out to $434.40.
Yes. So when you add them all up, all three platforms for the week, you are at $630.60.
Right, and that is net after fees. That does not account for the cost of goods. That obviously would drop the amount a little bit, but I didn't want to go through each one of those. I will say that for a majority of my inventory, everything is already paid back. A lot of the times when I do hauls, one item pays back the whole thing, and then everything else is pure profit, and a lot of the items in this list here is in that category, so.
Right, so you generally will try to look at your cost per trip rather than per item.
Yes.
It is not always easy at times, depending on which trip it was. I know when we went to Los Angeles, we are still working that off a little bit.
Yes. We do try to take a holistic approach, though, especially when we're sourcing. If we have found an item that is going to pay off the whole trip, we do tend to be a little bit more liberal with what we grab. But when we are accepting offers, we do account for what the price was, and we make sure we at least double our money. We try to triple, but we will also account for it in the end to make sure that we're not double counting things, stuff like that.
Yeah.
So, anyways, I hope this is interesting to you guys. If you guys like What Sold videos and you don't mind the fact that I don't have crazy numbers, I'm still kind of in the mid-range of, getting
I mean, that's still
reselling.
reasonable. That's right around $3,000.
It's not horrible. It's not
Or
great.
$2,400 rather.
Yeah, I mean, it's not horrible. It's not great. But if this is still interesting to you and you want to see what type of things I'm selling, I can definitely come back and show you guys more here and there. If you're more interested in seeing the higher end items and compilation of that like I've done before, tell me that. Let me know. I will do whatever is interesting to you. But this is a typical week for me, so this is what you'd probably see if I do more of them.
Yeah.
So we shall see. Let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in another video.